Is your hard disk not showing up on your computer? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed easily. Next, check your BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart your computer and press keys like Delete, F2, or F10 to enter BIOS.
If your hard disk is not listed there, it could be a hardware problem. But if it is listed, then the system is detecting it and we can move to the next step.
Now, let's check disk management in Windows. Right-click on the Start button and open Disk Management. Here, look for your hard drive. If you see unallocated space or a disk that is not initialized, right-click and initialize the disk, or assign it a drive letter. You can also check your drivers. Open Device Manager, go to Disk Drives, and update your drivers. Sometimes outdated drivers can cause detection issues. If the disk still doesn't appear, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type diskpart, then list disk. If your disk shows up here, it means the system can detect it, but it needs configuration. If nothing works, try connecting your hard disk to another computer. If it's still not detected, there's a high chance the hard drive is damaged. Listen for clicking sounds, or if it's not spinning at all. These are signs of a failing hard disk. In that case, you may need a data recovery service or replace the drive. I hope this guide helped you fix your issue.